Hey there! Get ready to experience the future of fun with the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball 2025, a high-tech hand-controlled mini drone that will take your playtime to new heights. This incredible gadget features a gyroscope and smart AI chip, allowing for intelligent flight patterns and a mesmerizing boomerang effect, all while enhancing your child's hands-on skills, intelligence, and creativity. Crafted from high-grade ABS material, this lightweight and flexible drone can withstand countless crashes, with safely enclosed propellers to ensure worry-free play. Charging is a breeze with the USB connector, taking just 25 minutes for 8 to 10 minutes of thrilling flight time, and the LED indicator keeps you informed about the charging status. Whether indoors or outdoors, this drone offers smooth flight patterns and endless fun, making it a perfect activity for family gatherings or a unique way to teach physics and aerodynamics. Ideal for kids and adults alike, the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball 2025 makes an unforgettable gift for any occasion, from birthdays to holidays, sparking joy and wonder for all ages. So, why wait? Dive into the cosmic fun and let your imagination soar with this amazing flying orb.